In this tip of the day, let's take a look at collision detection, which is provided within all OneCNC mill CAD CAM systems. Now, the type of collision detection we're going to talk about today has to do with flute length, and this is going to be available when working with solid models or wireframe geometry. In this example, I have a solid model, and you can see I performed a profile operation. And if we were to quickly edit this machining operation, I'm going to right-hand mouse click, select Edit Operation, we can see that the flute length that I have specified is 625 thousandths. So essentially 5/8 worth of flute length. I'm going to cancel out of this. If we were to verify the depth of the pocket here, let's go to Verify. Let's just grab the very bottom of the pocket. You can see that that's at minus 750 thousandths. So with this combination, I don't have enough flute length to profile the pocket. However, if this is something that I overlooked, the OneCNC simulator will help us detect any issues with that. So let's head over here to the toolpath group. We're going to go into Simulate by right-hand mouse clicking, selecting Simulate Rest. I'm going to be using a solid model I created earlier for the stock, and we're going to click OK. Now what's important here is that the tool simulation is stopped and we get an error message over here on the side that says collision detected. Now if you quite don't know what's happened yet, you could click the play button, and everywhere that you see blue, in fact let's rotate that around and zoom in a little bit, everywhere you see this dark blue, that's where the actual shank was rubbing up against the part. Now, this feature has to be turned on within OneCNC, and if it's not turned on, you can turn it on over here. So the Show Shank and Holder Collisions, if you want to activate that, just left-hand mouse click. If that's unchecked, you won't have any collision detection. All right, so let's remedy this. Let's head back over here. Let's shut down the simulator. We're going to quickly edit our machining operation by right-hand mouse clicking, select Edit Operation. Now I'm going to increase the flute length. Let's make this 0.875. That looks good, so I'm going to click Next on that. And finally, we'll hit Finished here. So if we quickly go back into Simulate, click OK, you'll notice now that within the simulator, the toolpath progresses without any collision detection. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.